Howdy y'all, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's that time again. I'm making a vintage recipe, and this one is called an onion pie. Let's do it. This one starts with the crust, in which we use saltine crackers. We need a whole sleeve of them. We're gonna put them in our food processor and give them a good grinding. Add those to a bowl, and then I'm gonna mix in a 1/3 cup of melted butter. Pour that into an 8x8 prepared pan. Press firmly into the bottom. In a pan, I need to melt a stick of butter. I'm gonna add 3 cups of chopped onions. Saute until golden brown. While those onions cook, I need a bowl. Add 3 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, a ½ teaspoon of dry mustard, shake of salt, shake of pepper, give it a good whisk. When the onions start to brown, add on a sprinkle of nutmeg and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Pour that onion mix on top of the cracker mix. A ½ pound of extra sharp cheddar. Pour that egg mix on top and sprinkle on some smoked paprika. I'll bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes until set. We got ourselves an onion pie. It looks and smells phenomenal. Wow. A little parsley flakes for garnish. Absolutely wonderful. I love a vintage recipe. I just went and saw an opera about onions. There wasn't a dry eye in the house.